Hi there and welcome back to another episode of the Quick Win Wednesdays. In this video, we're going to talk about event dispatching. So let's dive into it. Okay, so I have this test command here with a very complex condition, which is set to true, which is actually dispatching an event with the user inside. And in the listener, I'm simply logging listener triggered. So let's run that. And we should have Laravel log logged this listen trigger. So we can do this in a different way. We can get rid of the very complex condition in here, and we can set up dispatchIf, and then we can have our very complex condition and pass on as a second parameter our user. If we run this code again, this actually does the complete same thing. So it dispatched the event again. And if we change this to false and we run it again, Laravel log isn't logging anything. But if we do the opposite of this, dispatch unless, and run it again, there we go. Now it also logged the event with dispatch unless. And that's actually how we can have very complex conditions written into one single line with dispatchIf and dispatchUnless. So that was a very, very quick one this Wednesday. I hope you learned something from it. And remember, like and subscribe, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Take care. Bye-bye.